Oh my gosh, why is life so sad like an ice cream cone melting under the summer sun?
David,
Scared me so much my heart almost jumped out and rolled away.
who are you talking to?
To my sadness, it's sitting right next to me.
Why are you whining like a chicken caught in the rain so early in the morning?
Sad because someone ignored me all week. No texts, no calls, not even a glance.
Who could be so mean?
Someone with long hair, often tied in pigtails, laughs like thunder, walks as fast as a rocket.
Sounds familiar. Like someone I know.
Very familiar. Because that person is you.
Oh my gosh. Why so serious like a TV drama all of a sudden?
Because I've been hiding this for so long. Like hiding candy in my backpack.
What secret is that?
Every time you smile, my heart vibrates like a phone on low battery, alarming loudly.
What a weird analogy. Like, I'm your charger or something.
But it's 100% true. No fake news.
So, what does that have to do with you being sad like a broken pinwheel?
Because I like you but didn't dare say it. Afraid of rejection like a leave application.
Huh? Are you serious?
More real than me being hungry every recess and having to scarf down a sandwich.
I didn't know that. Like you hid it like a national secret.
I've liked you since you lent me your pen and drew a heart on it. I thought it was a love code.
Oh my gosh, I just drew that for fun, not sending an SOS signal.
But my heart took it as a green light and charged ahead.
What kind of romance is this? Like a comedy movie.
So what about you? Do you like me? Or just like eating ice cream with me?
What if I say no?
I'd be so sad I'd eat 3 ice creams, then 3 more to comfort myself.
What if I say yes?
I'd be so happy I'd forget the way home, wandering like a zombie.
You've forgotten before, that time at the park.
Because I was thinking about you, my brain was fully occupied.
You talk so sweetly like a singer.
It's the truth. No singing.
Actually, I like you too, like I like chocolate ice cream.
Really? My heart is dancing disco.
Really? But calm down, don't let it jump out.
Can't calm down. I want to fly to the sky.
I liked you since you gave up your seat for me and stood the whole recess like a statue.
My legs hurt, but my heart was happy, like winning the lottery.
So silly, but cute silly.
But happy, silly, with love insurance.
So what are we now, the chocolate ice cream couple?
2 people who like each other, like superheroes, saving boredom.
Sounds simple but cute like a cartoon.
I promise to treat you really well, like a king to his queen.
How well? With a carriage to pick me up?
Like buying you ice cream every weekend. With love toppings.
Sounds tempting. Deal.
And always listen to your stories, even if it's about dreaming of eating ice cream.
Won't you get tired of hearing? Not afraid of getting sick of it?
Never tired, like eating ice cream forever without getting full.
And I'll help you study, turn you into a model student.
Then this love is too beneficial, like buy one get 2.
Beneficial how? Don't calculate like business.
Have someone to love and no bad grades. Jackpot.
You calculate like a computer.
But calculating for our future. Like long-term planning.
Future? So far? To the year 3000?
Far but beautiful, like a sci-fi movie.
You think a lot, like a child philosopher.
Because I'm serious about this feeling, no joking.
Hearing that makes me shy, face red like a tomato.
Shy but happy, right? Like eating spicy ice cream.
Yeah, really happy, grinning ear to ear.
I think today is the best day ever, brighter than the sun.
Because we got to say what's in our hearts, no more hiding.
And no more guessing like playing crossword puzzles.
Saves the heart so much trouble, my heart can rest now.
From now on, let's talk like this every weekend. Fixed schedule.
Agreed, mark the calendar.
With sadness. With joy. With silly stories. Like I tell.
And with the two of us, the comedic duo.
I like that phrase the most. Like liking strawberry ice cream.
Me too. Now let's eat ice cream.
Sophia, hey.
What now, Chatterbox?
Thank you for liking me, saving me from melting ice cream sadness.
Thank you for being brave to say it, like a superhero.
If I didn't say it, I'd be sad forever, become a sad zombie.
Now, no more sadness, only joy.
Now only joy. Joy like a festival.
So much joy, no limits.
Every weekend like this. Promise.
Definitely. Won't forget.
Sophia, hey. This week I feel my life is like a tough math problem, like Olympic math.
Why so philosophical all of a sudden? Like a sage?
Because opening the book makes me want to close it right away, like a window in a storm.
You're used to being lazy, laziness as an art.
Not lazy, but my brain protests studying. On strike.
If your brain could talk, it'd yell like a market riot.
It says every time I see numbers, it gets tired and demands vacation.
What did the numbers do to you? They're innocent.
They appear everywhere. In tests, homework, even my nightmares, like haunting.
What kind of nightmare? Tell me. Probably hilarious.
I dreamed a bunch of fractions chasing me yelling, "Solve me, solve me."
Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Like a horror comedy.
Funny, but I was scared to tears.
So, what did you learn this week? Or just how to avoid homework?
I learned something very important, like a sensory discovery.
What? Tell me quick.
Sleeping in class doesn't make homework do itself, and you get called on.
Finally realized, slow but steady.
But sleeping gives good sleep, like in a 5-star hotel.
David, no more excuses.
Kidding. But math is really hard, like climbing Everest.
Hard because you don't practice, just stare. I practice staring at homework, like math meditation. Staring without doing won't make you good, like watching soccer without running.
But staring long makes eyes tired, need sunglasses.
You have reasons for every laziness, like a laziness dictionary.
What about you? Studied hard this week, like a super student?
Yeah, Monday I finished all the essays, long like novels.
How long? Your hand must be sore like gym workout.
So long my hand was sore, had to massage.
I write 2 lines and want to quit, like running a 2-meter marathon.
Tuesday I solved all the hard math, like final boss.
Hearing that hurts my heart. My heart shakes.
Wednesday studied English, head full of vocabulary.
Did you remember all the words? Or use Google Translate?
Remembered almost all, about 95%.
I'd remember 5%, like sale percentage.
Which 5%? Tell me.
Hello and goodbye, pronounced like a native.
Oh my gosh, and you brag. Like kindergarten.
Important is perfect pronunciation, not quantity.
Then Thursday science, really interesting.
I like that subject more, no numbers chasing.
Why? Easier to sleep?
Because learn about animals, like watching Animal Planet.
What's your favorite animal? Sloth, probably?
The one that sleeps a lot like me, like hibernating bear.
Must be the cat, sleeps 18 hours a day.
Right, cat is my idol, Master Lazy.
Even studying you find ways to be lazy, you're pro.
But I want to study better, level up.
Really? Or kidding?
Really, 100% serious.
Why sudden motivation, like struck by lightning?
Because I want to sit at the same table with you in the smart class, like VIP.
Sounds cute, but don't dream.
And I don't want the teacher calling my name all the time, like celeb hounded by paparazzi.
This reason is more realistic, not romantic.
But you're the main reason. Super motivation.
You're so smooth, like a diplomat.
So will you help me study? Be my tutor.
Of course, but be serious.
But don't yell at me. I'm scared of yelling like ghosts.
If you don't doze off, I won't yell deal.
Tough, but let's try.
Go for it. Don't give up.
If I study well, do I get a reward? Attractive reward.
What reward? A car?
One ice cream every weekend. Chocolate.
Ice cream again. Are you addicted?
Ice cream is my life force. Like battery for a robot.
Okay, if high score, I'll buy, but above 8.
Oh my gosh, so high. Like bungee jumping.
Want reward, must try, no free?
Then I'll try my best for ice cream and for you. Double motivation.
Sounds so funny, like comedy.
But serious truth, no joke.
I'll tutor you every week. Fixed schedule.
Let's study right here. Study and eat ice cream.
Yeah, study and chat to avoid drowsiness, like coffee.
But don't give too hard problems. Easy first.
Easy forever, won't progress. Must level up gradually.
So medium hard, like medium spicy.
You're good at negotiating, like a businessman.
Because I'm scared of math, scared like bugs.
No problem. I'm here, math superhero.
Hearing that makes me feel safe. Like insurance.
I believe you can do it. 100% faith.
Having someone believe gives me motivation, like a rocket.
So, starting next week, study seriously. No excuses.
Promise handshake.
Promise, but don't do. What? Heavy penalty.
Lose ice cream, right? Horrifying.
Exactly. So go for it.
Definitely do, for ice cream future.
See, studying has fun too, like a party.
Thanks to you. Life motivation.
Keep it up, lazy student.
I'll become a diligent student because of Sophia. Transform.
Sounds cheesy but cute, like a rom-com.
Cheesy but progress. Level up incoming.
Hope so. Don't disappoint me.
This week starts the journey to study well. Epic journey.
I'll accompany you, like a sidekick.
Sounds like a movie, school action film.
But it's our real-life movie, no CGI.
Comedy mixed with school. 5-star rating.
And beautiful ending, happy ending.
High scores and hands full of ice cream. Jackpot.
You can't forget ice cream, heavy addict.
Sophia, hey.
What now, old soul? Telling fairy tales?
Did you see the runner this morning? Super funny.
Yes. The uncle with 2 different colored socks, green and red like Christmas lights.
That's him. One green, one red, like a mobile traffic light.
I saw and wanted to laugh till I fainted, fall back.
Probably ran too fast and forgot to check the mirror. Or mirror broken.
Or it's new fashion? Mismatched socks trend 2023.
If so, I'm trendy too. Wore mismatched flip-flops the other day, like an artist.
That's not fashion, that's max sleepiness.
But I think it's personality, like flip-flop superhero.
Sleepy personality. Sleep is king.
And the fat dog that lies nearby, super cute.
The one round like a hug pillow? Chubby!
That's it. I suspect it ate all the food in the park, master eater.
Don't badmouth it. It's cute, like a teddy bear.
Cute like eat then lie, motionless, like battery dead.
Sounds like you. Eat ice cream, then lie still.
I'm not fat. I'm just evenly round, like perfect sphere.
Round from head to toe like a ball.
That's happy body, no drama.
You always have reasons, like a defense lawyer.
Sophia, hey, do you ever talk to yourself? Like monologue?
Yes. When studying, like a stage actor.
I talk to my pillow. It's my best friend.
Does the pillow reply? Chat back?
It's silent but great listener. No arguing.
Oh my gosh, you're weird. Pillow therapist.
But thanks to that, I'm less sad, like having a virtual friend.
Now you have me. No need for pillow. Upgrade.
But pillow is softer, comfy to hug.
David, don't compare.
Kidding. You're still the most important, top one.
Good to know, or else, penalty.
The other day, I did something super embarrassing. Want to die.
What? Tell in detail.
I saw someone from behind who looked like you, so I waved and called your name loudly.
Then what? Plot twist?
They turned around. Not you, total stranger.
Oh my gosh, must be so awkward, face red like boiled shrimp.
Awkward to the point of wanting to melt like ice cream in the sun.
How did they react? Angry?
They even waved back. Super friendly.
So cute. Happy ending.
But my heart wanted to burrow into the ground, dig a hole to hide.
You have so many funny stories, like a comedian.
But thanks to that, we have stories to tell. Treasure of humor.
Yeah, I like those silly stories. Free entertainment.
I like hearing you laugh too. Like hit music.
Won't you get tired of laughing? Not afraid of sore mouth?
Never. Like looping music.
Sitting and chatting on weekends like this is really fun. Like a talk show.
More fun than studying a lot. Higher rating.
But still have to study, don't skip.
I know. I'm the diligent student.
If you're lazy, I won't buy ice cream anymore. Heavy penalty.
Oh my gosh, don't be so cruel. Ice cream is life.
Then study hard. No ice cream, no life.
For ice cream and Sophia. Double power.
Here we go again. Your tagline.
But true. Official slogan.
You always make me laugh, like a humor machine.
That's my mission. Mission impossible? No, possible.
Lifetime mission? Lifetime contract?
If you allow, sign here.
Sounds serious, but funny.
Because I'm sincere, no joke.
I like times like this too. Max chill.
Sitting chatting without doing anything big, low effort, high fun.
Just happy is enough, like happiness formula?
And having each other, main ingredient.
Sounds so cute, like Pinterest quote.
Every weekend like this, tradition.
Agreed. Calendar marked.
Sometimes tell study stories, sometimes silly stories. Variety show.
Sometimes complain too. Like therapy session.
But end up laughing, happy end.
Because we always find joy, like happy hunters.
I feel so lucky, like winning lottery.
Lucky what? Tell me.
Because I have you as special friend, limited edition.
Me too. Mutual.
If one day we're sad,
Then what? Plan B?
then come here and chat like today, cure sadness.
Good idea, therapy park.
This park will recognize our faces, VIP members.
Become the weekend chatter duo, famous duo.
But the happiest pair. Top 1.
Definitely. No competition.
Sophia, hey.
What now, radio talker?
Thanks for always smiling at me, energy boost.
Thanks for always making me happy, like vitamin.
Promise. Next weekend. Chat again. Sequel.
Promise. Part 2 incoming.
Don't forget. Reminder.
Who could forget a chatterbox like you? Impossible.
Good then. High five.
Come on, tell more silly stories encore.
Let me think. Full stock.
You always have stories unlimited.
Because my life is a comedy. Box office hit.
Comedy with me as special audience. Front row.
And co-star too.
The fun weekend movie, long series.
Last forever. No end.
Sounds great, binge watch.
Because happiness is small moments like this. Mini joys.